Hey guys, and welcome back to another Kaspa video. I hope you're doing great today. Before we dive in, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Alright, today's title of this video is Will Crypto.com list Kaspa soon? And I don't want to clickbait you, but I found something in TradingView and I'm thinking, is this a coincidence or is this a sign that we get a listing on Crypto.com for Kaspa soon? So I will show you guys in a bit. Let me know down in the comments what you think about it. But I'm looking all day for signs for new listings for Kaspa on a T1 listing, spot listing. And this is one little sign that I found out, one little glitch into the matrix that I'm thinking, is this a coincidence or has this any meaning? But let me know what you guys think. So before we take a look at that, let's take a look at the general market. The fear and greed index is on 50, neutral. So the markets are cooling off in the last couple of days, as you know. It can be an emotional ride, the crypto space, but as you know as well, probably today and the last couple of days created some great DCA opportunities into your favorite crypto picks. So I hope you took advantage of that. All right, let's take a look at Kaspa. Currently the price is around 79 cents and we are down 8.6% on the week. You know, Kaspa is bleeding. It is what it is. Fundamental, Kaspa is the greatest out there in my opinion. But the market is red, Bitcoin is leading the way, and there is no hype for Kaspa at this moment. But I'm pretty sure there will be hype in the future and the hype will be big. So this is the time to load up your bags and have patience and high conviction. So the market cap is currently around almost $2.2 billion with a volume of only 70 million. It's really low. If you take a look at the Kaspa markets, we have a lot of exchange listings already. So it would be a really logical step that we get a T1 listing like Binance or Kraken or even Crypto.com. I mean, we already have future listings for Kraken and Binance, so it must be a done deal that we get actually a spot listing on Binance and Kraken in the near future. And in the near future, I'm thinking around weeks or a couple of months. I don't see that we're going to need another 6 to 12 months to get a decent listing. I mean, those exchanges can earn a lot of money of Kaspa, so why wouldn't they? So that's why I'm betting on. So if we take a look at the TradingView, and if I add, we dive into Bitcoin and the market cap of the altcoins and cash in a bit, but I will show you something that I noticed. If I search for cash, I get all the listings for Kaspa. And I was noticing this. Cash USD, all exchange types, Kaspa, spot crypto, crypto.com. It isn't actually a pair, but it is here. And I was wondering, okay, has this something to do with this? I mean, crypto.com have all kind of price indexes of cryptos. So I was thinking, is it this? But then I was looking for some other projects on it. So for example, if we take a look at Myro, I mean, Myro is hot, but I can't find it over there. But it actually has a price index on crypto.com. So I was thinking, is this actually a sign before that crypto.com will list Kaspa on spot? I mean, maybe it's a coincidence, I'm not sure, but I think it's big enough to share it with you. Maybe I am completely wrong, so if you know the exact meaning of this, let me know. But again, I wanted to share with you. So that's what I found today. Let's dive into some technical side of the markets right now. Bitcoin, as you know, a couple of days ago, tested the 38K.5 area and we bounced up. Yesterday we had a little bit of green day. but not. It was also a sell-off at the top, and now we are hovering a little bit to the downside with 0.5% in the red. The altcoin market is dipping as well, and that's why Kaspa is bleeding. It is led by Bitcoin, the king of the crypto. So it is what it is. And as you can see, yesterday we were rejected at the 10-cent psychological resistance level for now. It was a really strong support, but now it's probably a strong resistance. We wicked above, but we closed below the 10 cents, and now we are currently sitting at 9.7 cents. In my opinion, there is a possibility that we're going to retest the 9.3 cents area, or it depends what Bitcoin will do. We're going to retest the 10 cents, and with enough of buy volume, we're going to flip it again into a support level. Nonetheless, I think Kaspa is holding up pretty well. I mean, we don't have big exchanges, so we don't have a lot of volume right now. People are holding this coin. It's bleeding, but it's also getting manipulated by future trading, of course. So I think it's looking pretty good. And in my opinion, non-financial advice, I think this area below 10 cents is a great DCA opportunity if you didn't are already, how do you say that? Convinced with your Kaspa bag. If you want more, I think this is a great DCA opportunity. Nonetheless, just my opinion, of course. I also wanted to show you the new block deck visualizer. So take a look at this. It's looking really like a piece of art. It's looking wonderful. I mean, the tech of Kaspa is, it's unheard of. It's the best out there in my opinion, and I think you and me, if as Kaspa holders and investors, we will be greatly rewarded in the next couple of years. I mean, I'm looking out for the smart contracts, and I know a lot of investors don't think it is a necessity. And I'm thinking it will be great to have smart contracts, to have a whole ecosystem built on Kaspa. I think that would be awesome. So let's take a look at some other metrics of Kaspa. The current hash rate is around 152 petahashes, so it's looking bullish. We still, let me see what rank we are. I'm curious. Rank 38. Okay, so we're still ranked at 38. So it's just the whole crypto market who's getting lower at price action, but we're not getting. We don't have more negative price action than other projects in the top 50 in general. I mean, there are also projects who are flying to the upside, but most of the projects are down over the last 7 days. So sorry for that other two, but I wanted to mention you that. If we take a look at the address distribution, first we have around 323,000 total addresses with more one CAS. So we lost around 27,000 over the last couple of weeks, but it's normal. As you can see, last 24 hours we lost a lot of octopus, a lot of crab, but we actually gained a lot of fishes and dolphins. We lost 5 sharks, and we actually gained a whale. I think it's looking great. As you can see over here in the last 7 days. So in the last 7 days, we are down 8.6%. But if you take a look at the distribution, we see dolphins and sharks are accumulating. So again, nothing to worry about. And if you take a look at the top 10 addresses, the number 1, they're probably KuCoin wallets. Nothing happened over there. DYOR lost 5.2 million. Maxi lost 5.6. Uphold stayed the same. The other Maxi gained 6 million. The number 6 still the same. I'm wondering who this is. The number 7, also a Maxi wallet. They gained 2.1 million. The number 8 stayed the same, and the number 9 BitCat lost 144,000. And the number 10 also stayed the same. I'm pretty curious who is the number 6, who is the number 8, and who is the number 10. I'm pretty sure number 1 is KuCoin, but yeah, it would be nice if we get a tag over there. I mean, it is the number of the balance of this wallet stays really stable. So I'm really wondering who it is. I mean, if you expect that it is an exchange who is trading on spot a coin, you would expect that this balance will go up and down. And actually, it is not moving that much. So that makes me really curious who it actually is. All right, I hope this video gave you some valuable information about Kaspa. Let me know what you think about below in the comments. And I wish you a really great day, evening or morning, wherever you are in the world. And I wish you all the best. If you like the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, of course. And I really do appreciate it. And I see you soon. Crypto T out.